yet another brand new Ducane heat pump. This is a heat pump, I think. This thing just got installed today. The model number is 13HPDL-030-230-01, and the serial number is 1912B36159. Let's see. Listed section heat pump. This thing, it looks like it was just running recently. Wow. I like these Ducanes. Look at these are nice units too. Yorks. These newer Yorks. These aren't. I'm not wild at all about them. But what we're really paying attention to in this video is this brand new Ducane. Look at that. This is the second Ducane that I've seen, as you guys know. Brand new. There it is. Wish I could get a video of it running.